Hey guys and gals, welcome to Sweet Project Car Sweet Sunday Share. We're here today to share with you the best grease gun setup and the way to grease the tightest fittings, like right here on the steering shaft and here in the steering knuckle down in there. It's really tight. These are the best of the best. You don't have to watch 20-minute videos on what tools you should use or any of that happy stuff. We've got it all right here. These are the tools we use to make a living with. So first off, we want to get in there. That's a tight one. We can't fit with our fitting right there. It won't go in there. It'll go on here good. So we'll do this one first. And that tool right there you just see me clip on is the best. This grease gun here is the bomb. I already wiped off the zerts. Now we're good. Grease started coming out on the back side here. Take that off. We'll wipe this one off again just to show you. Just get in there and wipe that off so you don't pump dirt into it. Now we're going to take this same tool and let's use this one here. Take that, pull back, it clips on, will not come off. We'll press that over the top. And with this one here, you just push. That doesn't work, but you see it didn't. We'll use another tool. We'll use this one with the needle on it. Press that right into the grease zert ball. Press hard. Coming out. See it? Right there. The black stuff. I like to do it till I see red. Pump out the old. Put in the new. There's the red coming out. Way more grease, but this is the first time we've greased Boomzilla. Best tools you can get. This is what we use for our making of a living. Julio, tell everyone where all these great tools and products will be located.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción de video para todas las herramientas.
Thank you, Julio Cesar Chavez Rodriguez. Oh, and you better get them while they can, because every time we do one of these videos, they run out. So first come, first serve.